Faye, Paul and Vicky are kissing over there.
Leave the lovebirds alone. They're fine.
Should we tell them the train is coming soon?
They both know Raven.
So, are you ready for our train ride with Faye and Raven?
Yes, love. This is going to be a nice train ride.
I need a ticket for the train.
Okay. Have you been drinking?
Only 3 beers?
Your breath smells like you hit 30.
Didn't that burp come from somewhere on this train?
Yes, it did. But let's ignore it.
You're right, honey. Now where were we? Now I remember.
Paul and Vicky are kissing again.
Leave them alone, Raven.
And I heard what you said, Raven.
Sorry guys.
Oops.
Okay? Where did that come from?
I'm about to find out. I'll be right back, honey.
All right. Be careful.
Conductor? There has been some burping and farting going on here on this train?
Yes. I noticed it too, but I'm having difficulty finding the person responsible.
Ah. Oops. Builder, are you the one responsible for this rude humor on this train? Yes. So what, Paul? You're in big trouble. You ruined my wife and I's train trip. If you don't like it, don't listen. Wrong thing to say to me, Builder. Oh crap.
The train's going to crash.
No, Parker. Builder just got a butt whooping from Paul.
I think you're right.
Of course I'm right, Parker.
Well, I got rid of the problem.
What was the problem, honey?
It was Builder.
Somehow I'm not surprised.